Dealing with sod webworms in your lawn: signs, prevention, and professional solutions. A lush, green lawn is the pride of many homeowners, but the presence of pesky pests like sod webworms can quickly turn that dream into a nightmare. We'll explore the signs of damage caused by sod webworms, effective prevention strategies, plus the importance of professional lawn care services, such as Green Team Lawn Care, in managing active infestations. Here's how to identify sod webworms and their damage. Sod webworms are the larvae of various species of moths, and they are particularly active during the warm summer months. Sign 1. Irregular brown patches. The most common and noticeable sign of sod webworm damage is irregularly shaped brown or dead patches in your lawn. Sign 2. Thinning grass. As sod webworms feed on the grass blades, the affected areas will become thinner and less dense. Sign 3. Small holes and silk tubes. If you inspect your lawn in the evening, you may spot small holes or silk tubes at the base of the damaged grass, indicating their presence. Sign 4. Increased bird activity. If you observe an unusual amount of bird activity in your lawn, it could be a sign that they are feeding on the sod webworms in your grass. Now, here's some important tips for preventing sod webworm infestations. 1. Regular mowing and lawn maintenance. Keep your lawn well maintained by mowing it at the recommended height for your grass type. 2. Adequate watering. Deep, infrequent watering encourages deep root growth and makes it more difficult for sod webworms to damage your lawn. 3. Avoid overfertilization. Overfertilization can stimulate excessive grass growth, which can attract sod webworms. 4. Promote beneficial insects. Encourage the presence of natural predators like parasitic wasps and nematodes in your lawn. Sometimes it may be beneficial to seek professional solutions for sod webworm infestations. Benefit 1. Accurate diagnosis. Professionals can accurately diagnose the extent of the infestation and identify the specific species of sod webworms present. Benefit 2. Targeted treatment. Experts can apply effective and environmentally friendly treatments that target the sod webworms while minimizing harm to your lawn. Benefit 3. Long-term solutions. Professional lawn care services can implement long-term prevention strategies to minimize the risk of future infestations. Recognizing the signs of damage, implementing preventive measures, and seeking professional help when needed, as offered by Green Team Lawn Care, are essential steps in maintaining a beautiful, pest-free lawn.